Your parents cannot save you this time. I am dead serious. The Naira is sitting at over 1,500 to the dollar. Fuel is eating half of every allowance sent to your account, and the money your parents are sending you from the village or from their salary. It is losing value faster than they can top it up. If you are a student in Benin City, Lagos, or sitting inside an NYSC camp right now watching this on data you can barely afford, this video is the most important thing you will watch this year. My name is Mascot, and on this channel we talk about real wealth strategies for young Nigerians, not the recycled foreign advice that tells you to open a Robinhood account and invest in Tesla. That is not your reality. Your reality is a 33,000 Naira monthly stipend that disappears in 2 weeks, a phone with 2 gigabytes of data, and a family that is already stretched thin. I have been there, and in this video I am going to show you exactly why Nigerian students are broke in 2026, why it is not entirely your fault, and the specific steps you can take today to start changing that. Stay with me until section 3 because that is where the practical action steps are. Do not skip ahead. Here is the first reason you are broke, and nobody is saying this loudly enough. You have been set up to depend on a single number, one allowance, one stipend, one transfer from your parents. And in a country where inflation is running above 30% and the Naira keeps bleeding, one source of income is not a financial plan. It is a waiting room for financial collapse. Think about it this way. Your school fees go up every year. Hostel rent in Lagos or Benin City is not the same price it was 2 years ago. A plate of food that cost 500 Naira in 2022 is now 1,500 Naira. But your allowance? Your parents are sending you the same 20,000 or 30,000 Naira they were sending before. The number looks the same but it buys less every single month. That is Naira devaluation working against you in real time. The problem is not that you are spending too much. The problem is that you are earning from a broken pipe and hoping it does not run dry completely. Now let me tell you about a girl. I will call her Temi. She was a 300 level student in Benin City, living on 25,000 Naira a month from her parents. She was not lazy. She was studying, hustling, doing the right things academically, but she was always broke by the second week of every month. She thought the solution was to find a part-time job. She could not find one that paid anything meaningful. Then someone told her about freelance content writing for Nigerian small businesses who needed help with their Instagram captions and website copy. She had a phone, she had data, she had decent English. She charged 3,000 Naira per caption batch. Within 3 months she was making 45,000 Naira a month extra on her phone without leaving her hostel. She is not special. She just stopped waiting for permission to earn. Here is what you do today. First, pick one digital skill you can start learning for free. Content writing, video editing on CapCut, graphic design on Canva, or virtual assistants. All of these work on a phone with limited data. Second, go on Twitter, LinkedIn, or message them directly and offer to do the first job free or at a discount to build proof. Third, use that proof to charge real money from the next client. You do not need capital. You do not need a foreign account. You need a skill and the boldness to offer it. If this video made you think differently about your situation, subscribe to Asco Wealth Blueprint right now, because we drop content like this every week. Nigeria specific, no fluff, no recycled foreign advice. And I want to ask you something in the comments. What is the one thing stopping you from starting your first income stream today? Tell me honestly. I read every comment. The link to everything we talked about is in the bio. See you next week. Next video. We are breaking down the exact 5 digital skills paying Nigerian students the most money in 2026, with real income proof. Click it now, it is right there on your screen.